Runway 352, set first strike.
Left.
2, took a first strike.
Who's that calling?
352.
Took a 352, 27, you're clear to land.
Boston Tower, good afternoon, 9014 is 5 miles on the ILS 27.
FedEx 9014 Boston Tower, phone track, mile final, wind 3006 to runway 27, clear to land. Traffic will hold on across the runway.
Alright, clear to land, runway 27, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, we do have a report of birds at about 600 feet on final.
And FedEx 9014, we are going around, we've got unsafe communication, we'll get back with you.
Going around, FedEx 9014, roger, fly, runway heading.
FedEx 9014, runway heading.
Cactus 2040, Boss Tower 300 at 6, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, Cactus 2040. Where were the birds?
There was birds reported at about 600 feet on final, runway 27.
Thank you.
And FedEx 9014, climb maintain 3,000 and just stay on the runway heading.
Alright, runway heading up to 3,000, FedEx 9014, thanks.
FedEx 9014, stay on the runway heading, contact Boston departure 133.0.
133.0, FedEx 9014. Boston, FedEx 9014, 2,000, climb to 3,000. Boston, FedEx 9014.
Maintain 4,000.
What menu is that for FedEx 9014?
FedEx 9014, affirmative, climb, maintain 4,000, your radar contact.
4,000 on the runway heading, FedEx 9014. We got we had a indication of unsafe gear, went around. We're going to have to work a checklist and run and stay in your airspace.
FedEx 9014, it looks like you had a gear indication light on, and how long do you need to diagnose?
Yeah, we're just cleaning up the aircraft, and we're going to work a checklist. If we just get radar vectors to stay close to your airport here, hopefully we can get the problem resolved.
Roger, you think if we turn you, say, northbound now for a down, would you be able to go back in another, say, 5 minutes?
No, we're going to need about 10 minutes.
I think we should fly present heading for now.
Present heading.
FedEx 9014, turn right heading 020.
Right turn 020, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, just advise the left controller when you're ready to go back in, and contact approach 118.25, 18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter, FedEx 9014. Approach FedEx 9014 at 4,000, turn right to 020.
FedEx 9014, Boston departure, roger, the Boston altimeter 3001.
3001.
FedEx 9014, flighting 360.
360 FedEx 9014. And actually, we want to start getting vectors to get back in line. We're actually cranking our left main gear right now.
FedEx 9014, roger. FedEx 9014, you guys able to climb up or you want to stay low?
And we want to stay at 4,000, we just want to get back in line for runway 27.
Alright. 9014, turn right heading 090, it's a vector 2 final approach course.
080 FedEx 9014. Boston for FedEx 9014, was that 080 or 090?
FedEx 9014, turn right heading 090, you declare an emergency?
Alright, 090 on the heading, and yes sir, we will be declaring an emergency at this time.
FedEx 9014, roger, and when you have a chance, say fuel remaining and tools on board, please.
We got 9,000 pounds of fuel right now. We got 3 souls on board, and got no hazardous material.
FedEx 9014, thank you. FedEx 9014, do your gear indicate green at this time?
Not yet, sir. We're still cranking the left gear.
Okay. FedEx 9014, turn 10 degrees to the right at the vector for the down one.
Alright, 10 right, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, does runway 27 work for you?
FedEx 3733, yes. Take firm.
Negative, FedEx 9014, are you able to 27?
Sir, we're able for runway 27 right now. We were unable to crank the gear down. We're still running through the book.
FedEx 9014, you guys still need some time, correct?
Affirm, sir.
9014, turn left heading 040.
Left turn 040, FedEx 9014.
9014, looking for an update on your status.
All right, sir, we've run through the checklist a couple of times, trying to crank the left gear down. We're still getting bad gear indications, and we're going to run through the checklist one more time, and then we'll get back with you.
FedEx 9014, thanks. Fly heading 270. Do you want us to get your company a phone call?
Left turn 270, and not yet. We'll let you know. And Boston, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014 approach.
Yes, I think we've got our left gear down now. We can start taking vectors back to runway 27.
FedEx 9014, roger. Turn west heading 160.
Left turn 160, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, you want to try a low approach the first time? You're just going to try to land.
Well, for FedEx 9014, is there any way you'd be able to see our left gear on short final?
I'm going to call the tower, see what their visibility looks like. It looks like they should be able to. And we'll plan on just having them let you know on short final.
Okay, yeah, I'd rather just, if they could see it on short final, that'd be better than doing the flyover, I would think. As long as they could see it, then we just go straight in and land.
Yeah, we'll plan on having you do the full stop, and they'll be watching for your gear. FedEx 9014, the gear is indicating green now?
No, it's not. Our actual gear is not indicating green. It's indicating red, but our alternate way by cranking the gear is in the green band. So we're hoping that just the indication, the light, is indicating wrong.
FedEx 9014, all the information's been passed, and contact approach on 126.5. Have a good day.
26.5, FedEx 9014. Approach FedEx 9014, 4000.
9014, Boston approach, fly heading a 170 to center, maintain 2000.
170 down to 2000, FedEx 9014.
9014, do you want about a 7-mile final? I can take it a little further if you want a little bit longer final.
No, 7-mile final is good. And will you be able to see us? Is the target be able to see our left landing gear on a short final?
FedEx 9014, the tower will try to advise you of the status of your gear.
Okay.
Lost. 9014, have pressure FedEx 9014 at 2000, reduce speed to 170.
170 at 2000, FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, I'll vet you right out of the final. Do you have the airport in sight, 2 o'clock and 7 miles?
Yeah, we have the airport, not the runway though, for FedEx 9014.
FedEx 9014, I'll give you a lead until we get another mile.
Okay, and you got the crash, fire, and rescue out?
FedEx 9014, everybody standing by.
Okay.
FedEx 9014, turn right heading 240, when able to runway 27 at time. 9014, turn right heading 250.
250, FedEx 9014.
9014, intercept runway 27, localized to the airport is 1 o'clock and 7 miles.
Okay, airport in sight, FedEx 9014.
9014, you cleared visual approach to runway 27, speed at your discretion.
Visual 27, FedEx 914.
9014, contact Boston Tower, 121.75, 2175.
2175.
Boston Tower, load command.
Load command, sir.
Good evening, we're standing by, alert to status of inbound Federal Express.
Load command, roger.
And Boston Tower, 1 change to the standby position. Engine 5, the rest of the fire command, we're all staying at fire headquarters.
Load command, insight.
And Boston Tower, FedEx 9014 on the visual 27.
FedEx 9014, heavy Boston Tower, runway 27, you're clear to land the winter comp.
Clear land 27, FedEx 9014.
Ground, Southwest 336, taxi with Oscar.
336, roger. Just hold your position as emergency progress.
We'll hold, Southwest 336.
I think we're okay.
Roger.